My son is napping, so let's see how much we can get done in the garden.
Let's start off with picking potatoes. Ah! Oh my god. Yeah. Not bad at all.
I'm gonna throw these in some pots. They're daffodils and narcissuses, whatever, however you say that.
Now I'm going to clear out all these radishes. All of them look like this. The veggie beds are looking pretty sad, but there's a few things to harvest. Oh, took half the plant with it. I have a raspberry. Fell right off. I have to take 1,000 photos of it.
Gonna eat it. I'm not kidding. The greatest raspberry I've ever had in my life.
Here's everything we harvested today.
Thanks for joining.